Here is something your doctor may not have explained clearly enough. Every single morning, millions of seniors wake up and drink something that is quietly worsening their kidney function. Not alcohol, not soda, though those are harmful too. We are talking about drinks that sound harmless, drinks that are marketed as healthy. And if you or someone you love has been told there is protein in the urine, this video could genuinely change the trajectory of your kidney health. Proteinuria. It sounds complex. The reality behind it is simple. Your kidneys have one essential job: filter your blood, remove waste, retain what your body needs. Protein is something your body needs. Healthy kidneys keep it in your bloodstream. But when kidneys are stressed, damaged, or overwhelmed, protein begins leaking into the urine. That leakage is called proteinuria. For seniors especially, this is a serious warning sign. It may indicate early chronic kidney disease, diabetic nephropathy, long-standing high blood pressure damage, or immune-related kidney disorders. Now here is the encouraging part. What you drink every single day directly affects how hard your kidneys have to work. The right beverages reduce strain. The wrong ones increase it dramatically. Today I am giving you a clear, practical list. 3 drinks that actively support kidney function and help reduce protein leakage. And 4 drinks that are silently making proteinuria worse, drinks many seniors consume daily without realizing the harm. Let's begin with what you should be drinking. Drink number 1, plain water. It sounds simple, but simplicity does not mean insignificant. Plain, clean water is the single most important beverage for kidney health. Here is why this matters specifically for proteinuria. When you're dehydrated, your blood becomes more concentrated. Your kidneys must filter thicker, more waste-dense blood under higher pressure. Over time, that pressure damages the delicate glomerular membranes, the exact structures responsible for preventing protein leakage. Chronic mild dehydration has been consistently associated with accelerated kidney function decline in older adults. And seniors are uniquely vulnerable because the sensation of thirst decreases with age. You may not feel thirsty, even when your body urgently needs hydration. General guidance suggests 6 to 8 glasses daily, roughly 1.5 to 2 liters. However, fluid needs vary depending on body size, medications, heart function, and kidney stage. Always follow your physician's personalized recommendation. Filtered tap water or still bottled water are ideal. Avoid mineral-heavy sparkling water in advanced kidney disease. Avoid flavored waters with artificial sweeteners. We will discuss those shortly. Practical tip: keep a visible 1-liter bottle on the kitchen counter. Each time you pass it, take a small sip. Small, consistent hydration throughout the day is far more kidney-friendly than drinking large amounts all at once. Drink number 2, hibiscus tea. This one surprises people. It should not. Hibiscus tea, made from the dried flowers of hibiscus, Sabdurifa, has strong scientific backing for blood pressure and kidney support. High blood pressure is one of the leading drivers of proteinuria. Kidneys and blood pressure exist in a 2-way destructive relationship. Damaged kidneys raise blood pressure. High blood pressure further damages kidneys. Hibiscus tea has demonstrated clinically meaningful reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in multiple studies. Some trials show effects comparable to low-dose antihypertensive medication in mild hypertension. Beyond blood pressure, hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress in kidney tissue. Oxidative stress directly contributes to glomerular membrane damage and protein leakage. Hibiscus also exhibits documented anti-inflammatory effects. Preparation matters. Use dried hibiscus flowers, not commercial sweetened blends. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink unsweetened, or with minimal honey if necessary. 1 to 2 cups daily is appropriate for most seniors. Important caution: if you are on blood pressure medication, consult your doctor before adding hibiscus regularly. Combining it with medication may lower blood pressure excessively. Drink number 3, diluted unsweetened cranberry juice. Proteinuria in seniors is frequently worsened by recurrent urinary tract infections. UTIs cause inflammation throughout the urinary tract, including the kidneys. That inflammation increases protein leakage. Unsweetened cranberry juice contains A-type proanthocyanidins. These compounds prevent bacteria from adhering to the urinary tract lining. This mechanism is well documented in peer-reviewed research. By reducing bacterial adhesion, cranberry lowers UTI frequency. Fewer infections mean less inflammation. Less inflammation means less kidney stress. We are not discussing cranberry cocktail drinks. Those are loaded with sugar and are harmful. Use pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Dilute 2 ounces of pure juice with 6 ounces of water. Drink once daily. If you have a history of calcium oxalate kidney stones, consult your physician first. Now we need to have an honest conversation, because just as important as what you should drink is what you absolutely need to stop drinking. And some of these might surprise you. These are not rare, extreme beverages. These are everyday drinks. Things sitting in refrigerators right now. Things people have been drinking for years without questioning them. But if you have protein in your urine, these drinks are quietly working against you. Let's go through them one by one. Sugary sodas and cola. Cola is particularly harmful due to 3 components: high sugar content, approximately 39 grams per can. Phosphoric acid, difficult for compromised kidneys to manage. And caffeine, which can elevate blood pressure. Even moderate weekly consumption can worsen kidney stress over time. This is not a beverage to reduce. It is one to eliminate. Packaged fruit juices. Fruit juice lacks fiber. It delivers rapid sugar spikes. Many are high in potassium. Orange, tomato, and prune juices are especially problematic for proteinuria patients. Whole fruit is superior. Juice should be diluted and consumed sparingly, if at all. Energy drinks. Excessive caffeine. High sugar or artificial sweeteners. Megadoses of B vitamins. Stimulants like guarana and ginseng. Energy drinks have been associated with acute kidney injury in case reports. For seniors with proteinuria, they are completely inappropriate. Alcohol. Alcohol is dehydrating. It raises blood pressure. It destabilizes diabetes control. All three directly worsen proteinuria. Even moderate drinking may accelerate decline in seniors with existing kidney disease. Consult your nephrologist regarding any safe limits. Proteinuria is a warning sign, but it is not irreversible in early stages. Your daily choices matter. Small, consistent changes create measurable outcomes over time. Use this knowledge to strengthen conversations with your healthcare team. If you learned something new, one drink to swap, one habit to change, press like. Subscribe for weekly research-based kidney health content focused specifically on seniors. Drop your question below. What drink are you eliminating first? Your kidneys have worked for you every second of your life. Now it is time to work for them.